This is how Marvel movie sounds are actually made. When you hear bones breaking in Marvel movies, no one is actually breaking bone. To create that cracking sound designers often use lettuce. When Deadpool swings his sword, that sharp metallic sound, it's usually made by scraping real metal swords together. And in scenes where Tony Stark drags his suit through the snow, sound designers walks over crushed coal to create that crunchy snow sound.